I know. It has been quite a while, but hey, I am back with the unboxing of the new Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. So recently, Xiaomi launched the Redmi Note 5, aka the Redmi 5 Plus in Indian market. As per the rumors, yes, it turned out to be true, and this is the box of the new Redmi Note 5. But hey, there's a Pro variant too, and that is coming soon too. So, by the way, let's get started. So, you will receive a typical Xiaomi box with some specification at the back and a made in India sticker logo, which is probably manufactured in India or assembled in India in true sense. So, without further, let's get started with the box contents. And there we go. It's a beautiful smartphone from the front, and we also get a case it. And this is a silicone light case, and this is really good from Xiaomi, including one with the phone. Now, taking the phone out, there is a charging cable, still a micro USB, not a Type C. And looking at the front, damn, it is really a good screen. But the back is really like the Redmi Note 4. There is nothing changed apart from that camera flash. So looking at the specs, you will get a Redmi Note 5 with a Snapdragon 625, 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display, a 3264 variant with 3 and 4 GB RAM respectively, 12 megapixel camera with f2.2 rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, and a selfie flash and a 4000 mAh battery. Now taking a look at other specs, at the back you will get nothing but the Redmi Note 4. At the top and bottom you get the similar identities as Redmi Note 4, so there is nothing new. At the left you get the SIM trace, and at the right side you get the power button and the volume rockers. So let's keep the phone aside till it get boots. Now looking at the other contents, you get the manual, warranty card, a micro USB cable, and a charger that is still 5 volt 2 amp. You must know it's supposed quick charge 2.0 but in selected charges only, but still Xiaomi is providing the quick charge 2.0, not providing the quick charge 2.0 charger. Still it is the same 5 volt 2 amp charger. This is quite disappointing in the year 2018, and also it doesn't have the Type C. So let's put the case on the phone, and there we go. It really looked nice. Going through the setup of the phone, I would like to say this is not an upgrade to the already Redmi Note 4 users, but if you are in the market looking for a smartphone between 10 to 12,000 rupees, this is really a good smartphone. And just look at the screen, it's really awesome. And I really feel like using a great display here and setting up the fingerprint scanner and going to all the setup. And this is the phone getting set up. And looking at the back, the case is quite good. I don't think you will need to buy another case. Now let's get started with the camera. It is same, there's nothing new in the Xiaomi app camera, but you will get a different camera app in the Pro phone, that is the Pro model of it. And there is a selfie flash for this. And now looking at the other specifications, you get a 64 GB storage out of only 54 GB is available, and there are some minor lags I'm noticing, but hey, that will get settled with Xiaomi launching few updates. Now let's take a look at the fingerprint scanner, and damn, it is too quick. Really, I'm impressed with the fingerprint scanner. I'm using A1 currently, and that is too slow. But this one is really awesome, better than even the Redmi Note 4. So this was it from the unboxing and the overview of the new Redmi Note 5. And this is really awesome phone if you are looking to buy a new in the market. But if you want to upgrade from Redmi Note 4, I would rather say wait for the next variant. So this was it from your host, and thanks. And like the video if you liked it. Bye bye.